Hey guys, as you guys say, almost every single one of my friends is now gone for the next year studying abroad. So your boy needs to learn how to have fun without my friends. So today I'm attempting to have fun by myself. This is gonna be interesting. As you can probably see from around me, it is currently raining, but I'm quite literally not gonna let this rain on my parade today because I'm determined to have a fun day. So we're gonna start off this fun day by going to get some food. That's something I like to do with my friends very often. I am now going to get some Starbucks. I'm not that hungry, so I'm just gonna get like a croissant and a drink. All right, I'm going to the highway now, so see you soon. Hi, can I get a tall lemonade with only a little bit of ice and a toasted croissant with a little butter? Thank you. Nope. Third time's a charm. Coming to Starbucks might not have been the world's best idea because it kind of is making me a little upset and miss them more. Because the thing about Starbucks is I get the lemonade from Starbucks and I can already hear in the back of my head Manny making fun of me for getting lemonade at Starbucks. But I like lemonade, I don't drink coffee, and they have good lemonade. So comment below what you order from Starbucks. But I can already hear Manny yelling at me for getting that. Or not yelling at me, but making fun of me because I'm the only one that gets lemonade. And then also, who doesn't love a good croissant? This day is off to quite the start. All right, that was pretty delicious. Now it is time to do another thing that I love to do with my friends. I'm gonna try to do it myself. Today, I'm going on a hike. By some miracle, it is no longer raining. It might be a little muddy on the hike, but one thing we love to do is going on hikes to waterfalls. So I found that is close by. It's about like a half-an-hour drive. So I'm gonna go on a road trip by myself, which me and my friends love going on road trips. That's one thing I'm gonna do by myself. I'll play some music, dance to some music in the car. Then I'm gonna go on a hike with, well, I was about to say I was gonna go hike with the friends. Nope, I'm going on a hike. You're my friend. So we're gonna go on a hike and then we'll figure out what else to do. All right, time to drive. I got to the hike location, and of course it had to be right on the Hudson, which I did not really realize, right by a boat dock that we always pass when I go boating with my friends. So basically this whole day so far has just been reminding me of my friends, which is really the complete opposite point of this, but we're just gonna give it a try. All right, the hike's about half a mile that way when I start the hike, and then there should be a waterfall about 1 mile in. This will be interesting. I've been walking for about half a mile, and I have to say it is pretty peaceful out here. It is kind of nice to get into the quiet, just be outside with the environment outside. So far we're off to a good start. We have about 1 mile left to the waterfall. Let's go. So I've actually only recently discovered that I like going on hikes. Me and my friends started going on hikes a lot once the pandemic started because we couldn't hang out inside anymore. And I realized I just really like being outside. It's kind of relaxing, kind of fun. It's definitely more fun with friends, I have to say, just because like you're talking to them all the time, you're playing music. I'm going out by myself, obviously, and it's pretty fun. I'm still enjoying it. It's kind of nice. Like there's very quiet. I think as you guys are all very, very loud person, so to be kind of in the quietness for a while. You hear like birds, you could probably hear chirping in the background. Definitely nice and calming. I just want to see the waterfall. The waterfall, in my opinion, is the best part of every hike. Well, not every hike has a waterfall, but the ones that do. All right, as you can see, I'm getting closer to the water area over here where I think the waterfall is, so we have a little ways to go. All right, just to give a little more context about what it means that all my friends are gone. Why is everyone gone? Why am I not gone with them? It is a thing at the school I go to, and really the community I live in, to study a year abroad before starting college. This thing I've always known was gonna happen. I've always known it was not something that I was going to do. So I've honestly kind of been dreading yesterday, the day where I said goodbye to all of them, and today, the day that they're all gone, the first day they're all gone, for like the past 4 or 5 years. So I figured instead of dreading it and kind of moping all day long, I'm going to take the opposite approach and I'm going to make it a fun day. So that's what we're doing, we're having fun. Now, I know you're probably also thinking like, Eitan, this is not a hike, you're literally on a road. This is true. I'm actually still walking to the hike, I think. So it'll become a hike soon. I think I've already walked about a mile, so I may have to take a little rest soon. And you're probably like, Eitan, what are you doing this year? I definitely should have answered that. What I'm doing is I'm taking a year just really focused on my career, focus more on this YouTube channel. I always say I upload every Sunday and Thursday, but I never actually do that. It's more like every Sunday and some Thursdays, but I'm now committing to every single Thursday. We're gonna do another type of video as well. Really focusing on my career growing. I was really hoping to visit them quite often, but of course with the pandemic, that's probably not possible. So more time to focus on career and YouTube. I'm very excited about this year. Obviously a little nervous because they're all gone, but I think there's gonna be a lot of exciting things, so stay tuned. Ooh, this hike's exhausting. All right, I've found the place I was looking for. First off, we've got a beautiful view of the Hudson over here. And then on this side, I found, ready for it? The waterfall. Check it out. All right, this might be a little bit stupid, but I really want to walk much closer to the waterfall. So there's like a side place over here. Oh, okay. Not going this way. Let's find a safer way to get down. All right, so it's pretty steep down, but I think I could probably go up and around. This is much easier. So it's rock climbing time. Oh. All right, I've started the trek up. It was much harder than I thought to actually find a spot to start climbing, but I think I should hopefully be able to do this. All right, it already got way too steep. I'm gonna have to try something else. Definitely fun though, at least trying to climb up. Let's see if I can actually find a way. It's about the journey, not the destination. All right, I was able to scale these rocks. I'm almost at the waterfall. This is pretty exhilarating. Oh my God. After some nice rock scaling very carefully, I made it to the waterfall. It is absolutely beautiful, super calming. Wow, all right, let me get some B-roll. There is just something about waterfalls that I love so much. I think it's so calm, it's so beautiful, there's a view, there's the sound of the water rushing. I really love it, and I figured let's just take a little second to reflect. I obviously am scared for this year. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm very much an extrovert. I really like being with people, so not having a lot of friend time is definitely gonna be hard, but I'm excited to, A, try to have more fun by myself with the point of this video, and try to maybe, find my inner introvert and enjoy doing things on my own, like hikes like these. I'm really excited to make new friends, try to get out of my comfort zone, meet new people, even though it's definitely hard nowadays, and become better friends with a few friends that are here. Wow. It's really quite the view. All right, I've been enjoying the view out here on the waterfall, and now it is time to climb all the way back up to the bridge and hike back. All right, let's see if the way back is easier than the way down. I'm hoping it is. Oh wow, this is pretty easy so far. All right, this is the one hard part where I have to leave my camera right where you see it right now so that I can climb over it carefully. And I am back on the road. That was so fun. Wow, really beautiful, really fun. Looks also beautiful out here. Hold up, let's just take a second to appreciate that. Alrighty, it is now time to hike the 1.5 miles back. I would say major success, although I think I need to go get more food because I'm getting hungry. Wow, I walked further than I thought. I just checked my phone. I have another now 2.2 miles to walk back. Oh, it's almost like a workout. I've spotted the parking lot. This hike was way longer than I thought. I am very out of breath and need some pliables. All right, just got pie bowls. Let me give it a try. I can't confirm it's just as delicious by yourself. All right, I'm back at home. I'm ending off my night by watching a movie, which is something that I love to do with my friends. I'm watching You Don't Want to Mess with the Zohan. I have seen the beginning of this video, I think actually twice, but I've never seen the whole movie. It is absolutely hilarious, so I just want to see the whole thing, so that is what I'm going to do. I don't really have any popcorn. I'm not really hungry. I'm kind of full, but it is time to watch. Oh my god, that movie is absolutely hilarious. Highly recommend watching it. It is like one of those stupid funny movies. It is a little bit inappropriate, but that's kind of what makes it funny. So check whatever PG, whatever the movie is. It definitely was not as fun watching a movie without any friends. Cause like, you know, when you're laughing during a movie, like look at your friends while you're laughing. So I had no one to look at, but overall still was fun. And I'm actually genuinely surprised how fun today was. I kind of thought I'd film this video and it wouldn't actually be that fun, but overall I had a fun day. I obviously miss my friends a lot, and I'm really sad thinking that there's now another like 10 months of this, but I feel like this is pretty much off to a good start. If I could survive today, I could survive the other days as well. All right, I'm gonna get ready for bed and then I will do the outro. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to click the big red subscribe button down below so you'll be the first when I post new videos. Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching and comment down below what are some other fun activities I should give it a try. All right, if you need me, I'm gonna be sleeping. Bye.